Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. And what we're going to do today, folks, is do a trade here on Facebook. It's coming back up into a little bit of a moving average resistance after breaking down. So this is a breakdown with a retrace into dual moving averages. And I'm looking for a little bit of a short here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my order out here on a break of the even number of 45.01. So at 45.01, essentially a break of the even number, and we'll see if we get filled. I'm just going to do a small amount of shares. Normally on this, I do anywhere between 3,000 and 5,000 shares, but what I'm thinking to show you guys how you don't need a lot of money, let's just do a small amount. Let's just do 1,200 shares. We'll try to make about 240 bucks off this trade, which would be about 20 cents on a retrace. So number one, what I want to do is put out my order, and that's what I'm going to do now, folks. So let's place it out there on a short on Facebook at 45.01. If I go down, you guys can see my order right there, 1,200 at 45.01. It says my order. So again, just to show you, and now it's just a waiting game to see if we get triggered. So let's see if they push it up. My guess is they will push it just above the even number, and then what we'll do is we'll see if we can't get some action to the downside. This should be a nice retrace on the chart here. If we go to the chart now, and I can make the chart a little bit bigger to show you guys, you can see right here, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a retrace into that level, which will be a pierce of 45, and then ultimately I think we do break down further later today as we get into the end of the day trading. All right, so again, we will keep an eye here and go back and forth on the charts. Right now, you can see we're trading at 44.99. We'll see. We just want to see there's 45s. So let's see if we get filled. Back to 44.09. 45s, one push through. That's all we need here, folks. One push through. And we should get filled. You can see my 1,200 shares. And the beauty of this is, folks, as a day trader, if minimum requirements are 25,000 in an account, right now I'm using way less than that in terms of the 4-to-1 margin. So as a day trader intraday, you're giving 4-to-1 on 25,000, which is $100,000. But in fact, I'm doing far less. You know, I'm using basically half of that to do this trade. So it just shows you that even a small amount of money can really, you know, make you some money. And let's see if we get filled. Didn't get filled there. They printed a couple 45.01s. Let's see. Oh, got some of the shares, only 28 shares. That's not very nice of them. Usually when they give you a partial fill, it means that the stock is going to go in your direction. They just don't want to give you all your shares. But we'll leave it out there and see if we get filled. And hopefully we'll get more than 28 shares short. That's a joke. So again, folks, you can see how perfect that entry is. So perfect that they didn't even give me my entry, and well, gave me 28 shares. But you know what? What the heck? We'll see. Maybe we'll get filled, and if not, we'll watch this trade anyways and see if it comes back down and see if we were correct on the call. And again, you can see on the charts now, folks. You can very easily see how it went right up into that level. So you can see why the methodology works. I mean, it's sound and it's logical. I mean, that's really what it comes down to: sound and logical analysis. Okay. And again, you can see the spider's already starting to back off from that level. With any luck, we'll get one more push up to get filled at least. I mean, that's my hope. But right now, you can see it's already working out to the downside. And that's the breaks of the game sometimes, you know. Every once in a while, I put out a share size at an exact level, and they'll only give me a partial fill. And so be it. You know, there's always another trade around the corner, so it doesn't really matter, you know. But in any case, we'll just wait it out here and see as we continue to chop around. 44.96 by 97, 95 by 96 now. And you can again see the pressure beginning to mount on Facebook as this chart comes in, all right, or as the chart begins to try to play the pattern out. All right, 44.95 is printing. So if I had gotten filled my full position, 94s now, I would already be up about 7 cents. So again, you know, you're already up almost $100 on your measly 1,200 shares. And that's the beauty of it. You know, it's very easy to make money. And, you know, granted, if you do more share size, great. But you know, normally, as I said, I do 3,000 to 5,000 shares in this, which, you know, I'd be already up a couple $100 on this, you know, even more possibly. But the point is, I like to do smaller share size to show you guys, because there's a lot of people out there that don't have that much money to trade. And I think it's important to show them that you can trade with that. You don't have to, you know, have $1 million in an account or 100,000 in an account to get 4-to-1 margin and make big bucks. You know, just by grinding out smart trades, you can easily make $400 or $500 a day very easily just by taking 3, 4, 5 trades a day, and very easy to get 3, 4, 5 trades a day. So think about that. Make $500 a day on a measly amount of money, just a small investment. Okay, so you can see the market again trading right here on the Facebook. This is the level 2, and I show you guys the level 2 so you can track price action with me, and you can see my order out there, my live order, and so forth. And again, just filled 28 shares. 28 measly shares. So spiders again coming back in here. I shouldn't say spiders, just say Facebook. But bottom line is, again, what I'm probably going to do, guys, since it's only 28 shares, what I'm going to do is, if it comes down and I make 12 cents out of it, I'll probably just take the money and run because it's not much anyways. I'm up a couple dollars. But the point is, if it goes back up to that level, you don't want it a second time. You don't want it a second time. So what I'm going to do here is do 28 shares, and then we'll put it at 89 for 12 cents. So if we get filled there, so what I need to do is I need to click buy, which is buy to cover essentially. 28 shares at 44.89. If it gets there, then I mean, the essence of the trade setup is there. It's just a shame I didn't get filled on it totally, aside from 28 shares. But look at this right there. I mean, this was a great trade, folks. And it'll go lower, too. And there it is, guys. Boom. I'm out. Oh, jeez, man. Isn't that annoying? I mean, sometimes that happens, though. I mean, I'm here to show you guys the reality of the situation. And sometimes it is. So I ended up making a couple, $5 on this, $4, whatever it was, on this trade. Great trade. If I got my full 1,200 there, I would have made, $140 or so, $150, which just for a couple minutes of work is very easy. But this shows you the reality that in the markets, there's no guarantees you're going to get your fill. But the point is to be on the right side. I mean, how many people would have not known to go short there at that retrace level? It was a great retrace level. And ultimately, this will go lower. It's just 28 shares. I'm not going to waste your time sitting around waiting for the 20 cents to fill as I wanted originally on the 1,200. All right, guys. Great job there. Nice setup. And here it goes. You can see it even falling more. And the point is here, again, to get across to you guys is that you don't need a lot of money to make money in the markets. It's simple. If you know what you're doing, learn the PPT methodology. I will teach you it myself. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial. Take care.